Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. Today we're going to be making some teriyaki sauce. Got a Redbeard Recipes t-shirt now as well, so might do a comp to give one away. Real easy recipe. Let's get you started. To start, mix together half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of sake and half a cup of mirin. Quick side note here, with the sake and mirin, you can exchange this and just use 1 cup of water. Just up to you. Next, mix together 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Another quick side note, with the garlic and ginger, instead of using fresh, you can use garlic granules or garlic powder and ginger, ground ginger. It might just make it last a little bit longer. Pop it on the heat and allow it to simmer for around 8 minutes. So there you have it. I'm using this one as a bit of a marinade. So if you want it thicker, you can just add half a teaspoon of corn flour when you're simmering it and it'll thicken up nicely. Just whisk it in.
Some of that real sticky, icky.
That's it. I'll see you in the next one.